how to draw a straight line in Canva. To show you this, I'm gonna go to the left-hand side here where it says Elements. I'm gonna go to this tab which says Line. Then I will pick Shapes and go to See All. And here are all the different types of lines I can choose from. You have various dotted lines and also ones with arrows and different symbols. For this example, I will choose this simple line. And here we have our straight line. Now if you drag it around like this, you can change its length and also its position. If you hold down Shift while doing this, it will turn the line in specific increments. This way you can get more precise measurements. And that's how you draw a straight line in Canva. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.